Hello and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post. So I have marked the center of 12-inch dowels and tied them to my mandala tool. Then I tie the two dowels together and I'll go around all the dowels to make a square. If you want to know how I made this mandala tool, then you can click the link coming on the screen, or I will mention it in the description box. You can check it later. Now I reached the desired size. Now I made another square already, so I'll tie it to my tool, mandala tool, and then I will tie this violet colored yarn and now I'll make a star. So I leave two dowels and go on to the third one. This two and then third one. Then again two dowels I leave and go on to the third one. This way I'll cover all the dowels and that will make one round. After completing 4 to 5 rounds, I'll open it out from the tool because both the squares are already fixed together. Now I have marked 2.5 inches from the end and I will just wrap the yarn till that mark on all the dowels. Then I'll go back to the starting point and to the next dowel. This way I'll continue for all the dowels. You can see there is a circle at the base. Now I'll make that same octagon here too at this point. Now I'll put the thread in the first circle, first octagon, small one, and then take out from here. Make sure it's tight. I'm going from below the octagon and then pulling the thread watch carefully here. This will continue till first round. I wanted to show you the second round. The first round is completed, so the first I'll go through here, same. But when I'll be pulling, I'll taking one thread and then pulling the last thread from here, only the last thread. Watch again. So I'll pull only the last yarn from here and then go on to the next one. So this way I'll continue with other colors too. So here it is. Now I wanted to show you the last color, that is red, because this might be more clear. So I'll take the last thread from the orange and then pull the red thread with that. So see once again. I put through this. Now I'll take the last thread from the orange and the first red one and pull the red yarn this way. So I completed the red too. Now all the colors I'll repeat here with a different pattern. I'll just go around here 6 times. So my violet will end here. I'll tie it here. Then I'll start with blue. And repeat the process, same process with all the threads. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please do not forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.